Hello, and welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I showed a typical rootless jailbreak installation process. In this video, I will talk about tools that will be helpful in penetration testing of iOS apps and exploring how they work. After successful installation of the rootless Pelorane jailbreak, we need to install either Sileo or Zebra. These apps will help us with installation of additional packages. I will install both just to show how to add packages to each. I will need to set a password. I'm adding sources from where the application will be installed. I will install frida-server. You should not get any errors, but I have them because I previously installed some applications and now there is a dependency problem. So to make it clearer, I will delete all pending updates and installations. In Zebra, you also need to add a source repository from where Frida will be installed. I will add another repo for a tool called Shadow, which allows bypassing certain jailbreak detection mechanisms. Here, I also hit a dependency error. I need to figure this out, and the process is identical for both Sileo and Zebra. Whenever there is a dependency error, you need to install the specific package to resolve it, or an app that has that package included. I'm going to switch to Sileo to install Shadow there and resolve dependency issues. I'll also install a decrypt tool that allows decryption applications. Another tweaking package that will resolve mobile substrate dependency called lkit. After that, I have all dependencies resolved and the phone requires a reboot, which means that I will lose my jailbreak and I need to re-jailbreak the device again. After re-jailbreaking, I'm going to install OpenSSH server to connect to the device via SSH. To enable root SSH connection, we first need to enable the root user, although it's not recommended to use root. Let's connect to mobile. The password is Alpine, and we need to get to root. So the SU and the password is also Alpine. Next, set password Alpine or any you want for the root user by using the command passwd, and the old password is also Alpine. Then I'm going to install wget to download a package for SSL pinning bypass. I need to install wget. Then I go to SSL kill switch 3 releases and download it to my mobile phone. I will restart Springboard, so it kind of reboots the UI, allowing me to see the SSL kill switch in the settings menu. And that is it. The bare minimum to get started, especially if you're a security enthusiast, is now installed. Other tweaks and tools can be found on the internet, and I will leave the repos with tools mentioned in the video in the description sections. Always remember to verify that the repository is authentic before adding it and install any tools. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe if you liked the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.